Dear learner, hearty welcome on this online program of MOOC under SWAM platform. Myself, Dr. Shweta Sharma, professor at Galgotias University, Greater Noida. Galgotias University has recognized as leading institute in academic excellence with NAC A+ ranking in first cycle. Galgotias University is one of the best private university in Uttar Pradesh and a leading institute in India. On the behalf of my university, I am introducing an online course under SWAM platform. The name of the course is AI Influence on Pharmacokinetics and Pharmacodynamics. It is a 4-credit course and credit transfer course which is applicable for B.Pharm 4th year students. So let's have an overview of this course. So let's have an overview of this course. In this course, firstly we will discuss about the biopharmaceutics and AI impact on biopharmaceutics. Later on we will cover the role of AI in drug modeling. So course objectives are like this. The student will grasp biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics basic and their importance. Later on, they will be able to calculate pharmacokinetic parameters from drug concentration data. So till now we have done it, or we used to do it on the basis by utilizing the simple Excel, and we have to calculate all these parameters manually. So with the help of AI tool, we will be able to calculate all these parameters fastly and in a better way with more precision. So student will be able to understand bioavailability and bioequivalence concepts by applying AI and ML for predicting drug ADME properties. So this again can be done in a faster manner. They can utilize AI for optimizing dosing and evaluating its role in drug development. So by integrating AI in pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, there is a transformative shift in the drug development. Better therapies can be designed by utilizing AI tools. The curriculum of this program is divided into 5 modules. First module will comprise of review of core pharmacokinetics and introduction to AI or ML in PK/PD. In second module, we will cover AI for ADME prediction and AI enhanced pharmacokinetic modeling. Third module will comprise AI in bioavailability and bioequivalence and pharmacodynamics, where in fourth module we will discuss about the deep learning in PK/PD and real world data evidences in AI driven PK/PD. Fifth module will comprise of AI in clinical applications of PK/PD and non-linear pharmacokinetics and precision dosing. Duration of this course is 40 hours and the lectures will be delivered for 15 weeks. Learning outcomes of this course will be the students will be able to understand the biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics fundamentals. They will be able to calculate pharmacokinetic parameters. They will be able to explain drug bioavailability and bioequivalence in a better manner by utilizing AI tools. They will be able to apply AI ML for drug ADME prediction. They will be able to optimize dosing and individualized therapy using AI. This is week by week plan of this course. In module 1, we will cover review of core PK and AI basics, and it will be delivered in the form of 8 videos. In second module, we will discuss about AI for ADME and PK modeling. 9 videos will be delivered for this module. In third module, we will discuss about AI in bioavailability, bioequivalence and PD. In total, 8 videos will be covered, will be used for covering this module. Fourth module will be on deep learning and real world evidences, and 8 videos will be delivered for this module. Fifth module will be clinical applications, non-linear pharmacokinetics and precision dosing, which will be delivered in 7 videos. The evaluation pattern of this course will comprise of average assignment score, which is 10 out of 30, and exam score, which should be 30 out of 70. Final score should be more than 40. So based on the final score, certificate will be provided to the candidate. If the candidate is scoring more than 90%, then Elite Plus Gold certificate will be delivered. If the candidate is scoring in between 75 to 89, Elite Plus Silver certificate will be provided to them. If they are scoring more than 60, then Elite certificate will be given. If the score is in between 40 to 59, the course is considered as successfully completed. Final score calculation will be based on the assignment score and examination score. So average of best 8 out of 12 assignment will be taken, and final score will be 70% of the exam score and 30% of the assignment score. So this is all about the course. So you all are welcome in this course. Thank you.